We've reached Abu Simbel Temple. So since we're staying at Abu Simbel, we've come here at 3 p.m. and as you can see, it's quite empty. We're getting inside the temple now. So this main temple is built by King Ramses II and dedicated to God Amun-Ra and Ra Horakti. It's been an amazing experience. We had the whole temple to ourselves. So here we are at Queen Nefertari's temple. Now there's no one, it's just us. We're here for the light and sound show. The soup is here, main course is here. Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. So we're here at Abu Simbel Temple and we're heading to the ticket office. So let's go. So we just bought our tickets. It's 822 Egyptian pounds per person. And now we're entering. I think this is the most expensive one that we've bought after Gem. We have taken the golf cart.
Small temple or big?
Big temple.
Big temple. You have Egyptian number phone?
No.
What's up in the phone?
Yeah, we have phone. I can call you.
Okay, I give to my number. After finish, you call in me, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe. Where are you from?
India.
Oh, go Charkhan.
Yes, Sarkhan.
Amitabh Bachchan, Charkhan.
Yeah.
This is Amitabh Bachchan. Jaldi fighting.
Yes.
Yeah.
So who you like more, Sarkhan or Amitabh Bachchan?
No, Charkhan now.
Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan before.
Okay.
Oh, what like?
Sarkhan.
Me also Charkhan.
Good.
Before Jimmy.
Yes.
Sorry.
That's Mithun Chakravarti.
We've reached Abu Simbel Temple. So this is the main temple, the big temple, and there's a small temple. So since we're staying at Abu Simbel, we've come here at 3 p.m. and as you can see, it's quite empty. If you're coming from Aswan, it's usually the day tourists, they come and then go back again the same day. So it's usually the mornings that are very busy. So if you're staying in Abu Simbel, this is like the perfect time to come. We're getting inside the temple now. So this main temple is built by King Ramses II and dedicated to God Amun-Ra and Ra Horakti. Massive sculptures of Ramses II. This Looks like the temple, the main altar.
So
There are the gods. Ramses is offering to us.
these are, I think, offering rooms.
Offering rooms, yeah, those, offering rooms. Storage rooms, the temple storage rooms where the priests used.
So this is mostly Ramses offering to different gods.
Different gods, yeah. One was Horus. Where?
There.
Oh yeah, they're so big. There's that, yeah, this is so big.
Again Horus, again so big. Again Horus.
One, two, three, four. Something 4 portions. This is another storage room. There's animals, sheep. Mostly the offerings are in 4, so there is something significant about the number 4. Perfume, clothes.
That's the water goddess. And Amun and Horus finishing some demon.
Yeah.
Amun and Horus. So Horus holds a lot of importance.
Yeah, he's the one of the first gods. Just out of King Ramses II's temple, and it's been an amazing experience. We had the whole temple to ourselves, and got a lot of time to take pictures and see all the beautiful hieroglyphics and artwork. Now we're heading to Queen Nefertari's temple. So here we are at Queen Nefertari's temple. So this looks empty as well. So let's go check it out inside.
This is the goddess's blessing.
Yeah.
Nefertari.
So we had a wonderful time in both King Ramses and Queen Nefertari's temple at Abu Simbel, and it's been such an exclusive experience because there's literally no one, very few tourists when we entered, and now there's no one, it's just us. It's been quite exclusive, so definitely it's worth it if you stay a night in Abu Simbel instead of doing a day trip from Aswan. It's definitely worth it. Come around 3 p.m. The temple closes at 5 p.m. Come around 3 p.m. That's the perfect time. The sun has set and there's this beautiful colors all around. So I'm standing at the balcony slash terrace of our room in the guest house, and we are currently heading to the light and sound show at the Abu Simbel Temple. It costs 1,000 Egyptian pounds per person. Quite expensive, so I hope the show is really great. This is the only light and sound show we are doing. There are light and sound show for each and every temple, pyramids, so almost every historical site has a light and sound show, but this is the first one that we are actually doing, so excited about it. So let's go. Yalla bina. We're in the buggy again to the temples, and just look at the moon. It looks beautiful. It seems it is 14% closer and 30% brighter today. That's what my father gave me the information. So yeah, we're heading to the temples at night for the light and sound show. seated on our seats. And apparently we just got to know that the show is in Chinese language, so we've got these microphones, audio devices to translate to English. I'm not sure how it works, but we'll see. So yeah, our first light and sound show here in Egypt. So here's the Ramses Temple, the big temple at Abu Simbel on the top. And here is Queen Nefertari's temple, all net up. Restaurant in Abu Simbel called New Abu Simbel Restaurant. So let's see how the food is. We've ordered a chicken casserole and a beef broth and some lemon mint. So it's again decorated Nubian structure, Nubian artifacts. You can see above my head. So yeah, let's see how the food is over here. Thank you. Basically the soup is here. Let me try what soup this is. Lentil soup. It's nice. And there's Egyptian bread, tahini, and brinji, aubergine. So yeah, let me try the aubergine. quite nice. It's very good.
How is it compared to the morning?
This looks more authentic, and I love the way that they served and these clay pots, the soup, and even these. A drink lemon mint has come. Wow. What soup was this?
Pasta soup. Macaroni.
Oh, okay. Nice. It was pasta soup, macaroni. That was interesting. So yeah, this is very refreshing and amazing. This is, I think, one of the best we've had. Main courses here. This is grilled beef, rice, malokia. This is casserole chicken. So let me try one by one. Starting off with the beef. This looks tender. It's crunchy. Somehow they've made beef very crunchy outside and it's tender inside. It's delicious. A little less salt, but nice. Rice is just white rice. Let me try the malokia. It's a bit different here. It's a bit smoky flavored. This is different from the ones that we had. It's a bit smoky. It's a bit, yeah. It's delicious. A bit smoky. Very nice. Oh, and the chicken casserole. Let me try. Yeah, it does. It's hot, yeah. Still on. Wow. So they cooked it with cheese and a white sauce. It tastes delicious. It's very warm and really nice. And I love the pots that they've used. It's very nice. So yeah, this is delicious food. So basically in lunch, like I mentioned in the vlog, the flavors were a little toned down. Not very local flavors. They have to tone it down for the tourists who visit Abu Simbel. So we gave the feedback to our host and he now suggested this place for dinner. So yeah, this seems like a great place. The flavors are good and even we saw a lot of locals dining here. So anywhere locals dine is definitely a good place. For dessert we have basbousa. Delicious, so good. This is the best basbousa we've had. One I think we had in a buffet, so that can't be compared.
Breakfast of
But this is far better. It's really good. This is the end of this vlog. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I also have an active Instagram. You can go and follow me over there. See you again in the next vlog from the YouTube.